Oh, hi, my name is Rachel, and it's nice to meet some of you guys that I've never met before. I had started in a different cohort, had to withdraw a class because I got sick, so I'll be graduating this coming winter. Um, I'm currently working at Hackensack Medical Center as a medical social worker, and my internship right now is with the infectious disease program at the hospital, as well as working with New Jersey Buddies. So it's mostly medical work, supportive counseling, discharge planning. This course, as far as like loss through the life cycle, I think is going to be really helpful both in my job and in my internship. Oftentimes we have patients at work who come in and they're experiencing like a change in medical functioning, a change in life functioning, a change in life, like where they are in life. And I think, having a better sense of understanding of how that loss can impact them and their families and how they move forward will be incredibly helpful. And learning about people living with diseases such as AIDS and HIV, there is loss associated with having chronic illness and how that affects you physically, how that affects you emotionally, spiritually, etc. So I think, this class is going to definitely play into my job as well as my internship. So again, it's nice to meet everybody, and I look forward to reading all your posts and getting to know everybody. Take good care. Bye bye.